Okay, here we go with the alphabet trail. We are in the word P, in the letter P, and P stands for patience. Patience. We should be patient in our endeavors. We may not get instant results for the opportunities which we are in, but I would say you need to wait patiently, and Bible stresses a lot on patience. Patience is the key to move in this life. Instant results, instant noodle type of solutions will not last forever. And that's where we need to, like a farmer, farming is a good way to understand what is patience. You sow the seed and you look at, many things are not in your hand. Your yield is determined on the quality of the seed. Your yield is determined on the quality of rains that you receive, and the manure, the fertilizers, whatever you do, all these things are there. And then there is a time where the harvest comes. Till then, a farmer has to wait patiently. In the same way, we need to wait patiently for the results to come in. And as a leader, cultivate the attribute of patience. Work on things. Patience doesn't mean stop working. No, patience is you're patient. You're having attitude to wait as you labor slowly, steadily, and then you will see the returns. But as you wait patiently, I would suggest you as a pastor to soak those times with prayer. So patience and prayer will yield you to a good fruit produce. Patience and prayer will yield the produce in your life. So sow the right seeds, don't give wrong seeds, don't be instilling negative character as seeds in your children, just taking that as an example. Or don't look for fast yielding, that can cause problems. These days I'm hearing, there are genetically modified crops that gives great yield, but what it is doing, that's what some people are telling, it takes away the nutrients from the soil. Let's be natural. I would say naturally, whatever the Lord has given, it will yield for long. Principles will stand forever. And as a leader, as you might be working on your team, wait patiently, instill the good values, give them opportunities. Don't be insecure about anything. Wait patiently, and with prayer, the produce will definitely come. So don't forget P, patience, and with prayer, you will get the produce. God bless you.